Well, the top of the fact is that I too have an iPhone 12, but the upcoming Apple's iPhone 13 is giving me goosebumps because smartphone photography has come a long way since the first iPhone was unveiled in 2007. With this year's iPhone 12 Pro Max even capable of shooting incredible cinematic video in Dolby Vision, but if new leaks are to be believed, iPhone photography could be about to zoom even further ahead, quite literally. There are already 3 iPhones in our best camera phones list, but they could pale in comparison to what Apple apparently has up its sleeves. It's been rumored for a while what Apple is planning to add a periscope lens to future iPhones, which could mean zoom capabilities of up to 50x zoom. And a new leak suggests that company is looking to Samsung to provide the tech. As spotted by the Next Wave, a reporter by DigiTimes suggests Apple has abandoned plan to build its own periscope lens and has instead begun discussion with several South Korean companies about creating the tech, including Samsung. And with Samsung owning a ton of key patents, it's quite possible that Apple's periscope lens could end up coming from one of its arch rivals. Periscope lens, as the name suggests, use mirror to achieve a much higher optical zoom in a tiny package. The tech has already made its way into a few smartphones. Huawei P40 Pro Plus use a periscope lens to achieve an incredible 10x optical zoom without a loss of any quality, and when combined with digital zoom can even hit 50x zoom. While Apple might have called the iPhone 12 Pro Max the photographer's iPhone, it could be blown away by its successor if a periscope lens makes its way to the iPhone 13. For creatives who prefer the Apple's ecosystem, the company's move towards periscope lenses is great news. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro might be our best camera phone right now, but it seems Apple is snapping at its heels. Could we edging closer to a world where your smartphone is the only camera you will ever need? Well, we can't say anything about that, but if you have any idea on your mind, please make sure to leave a comment down below, and we will see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.